Find the hidden animals number 5.
Welcome back to the channel. You asked, and I've brought another challenge of finding the hidden animal. This time there will be 25 challenges,
25.
But first, leave a like and subscribe to the channel.
I'm gonna count how many I get wrong.
Let's start.
Lock in,
Number 1,
guys.
Find the parrot.
Find the parrot. Oh, easy. I see it. I'm gonna use my mouse, left side. It's right here. I'm also gonna move my camera so you guys can see the timer. Woo! Easy.
Number 2, find the woodpecker.
Woodpecker. Oh my goodness. Oh, I see it. Right here. Nice.
Number 3, find the frog.
The frog? There's multiple though. Wait. There's one here and one here, right? Are there any more? Pretty sure there's only 2. What about this one? Is this not a frog?
Number 4, find
What?
the cat.
Okay, the cat. Oh, easy. Right here. There you go. It's close to my camera. A fake frog? Maybe it wasn't even a frog. Could have been something else.
Number 5, find the lizard.
Lizard. Holy, where is this? I hope my camera's not blocking. Oh, it is blocking. Oh, it was right next to my camera. Right here.
Number 6, find the squirrel.
The squirrel? Easy? Up here? Yo, my eyes are so good. I have 20/20 vision. Easy peasy.
Number 7, find the hawk.
The hawk. Ah. Right there. I like how my camera is close to it. Oh, I just noticed there's 3 of them. I think 2 babies.
Number 8, find the parakeet.
The parakeet. Oh. Right here. The chat was kind of blocking.
Number 9, find the cat.
Another cat one. Oh my goodness. Where is it? Where is it? Oh, I couldn't even find. Wow. I didn't even see that.
Number 10, find the hare.
The hair. My camera was blocking it. Right here. I'm pretty sure it's this. Nice.
Number 11, find the owl.
The owl? Oh, I see it. The owls are cute. I like owls. One of my favorite Pokemon is Rowlet, the green owl.
Number
That's
12,
like my second favorite.
find the giraffe.
Giraffe. Oh, easy. Right here. It's blended in because of the trees. What a long neck. Owls are cute, I agree. I really like how the owls can like move their heads.
Number 13, find the
Holy-
owl.
Thank you so much, Uzi Doorman, for the 50 gifted. Big newts in chats. I see them. Right here. Hold on, I'm gonna have to stop the alerts. 1 second, guys. There you go.
Number 14, find the jackal.
The jackal? Oh, I see it. I see it. I'm actually not gonna say it yet, so you guys can get the chance. Okay, it's right here. I see it right here. can't believe the cat
Number
one
15. Find the
was
cheetah.
level medium. It should have been hard. The cheetah? Oh, I see it. I think? I'm pretty sure it's that. Yep.
Number 16. Find the snake.
The snake. Oh. This was also easy. Right there. Right next to the feet. Scary.
Number 17.
Uh-oh.
Find the cat.
Level hard. Lock in, guys. Wait. Where is it? Where is it? What?
Number 18.
I still
Find
can't
the
see
dog.
it. Find the dog? I really hope my camera's not blocking. I'll move it up here in case. Oh, was my camera blocking? I hope it wasn't.
Number 19.
That's too small.
Find the crab.
The crab? Yo, what? That's insane. I couldn't see
Number
that.
20. Find the cat.
Another cat. Where? Oh my goodness. Whoa. 2 eyes?
Number 21. Find the frog.
The frog. Oh wait, this is easy. What? Okay, that was super easy. I see it right here.
Number 22.
Why was that level
Find
hard?
the bird.
Bird. Oh, I see it. Yo, this music. I see it right here. Yep, easy peasy.
Number 23. Find the turtle.
Turtle. Is my camera blocking it? I don't even see it. That's a turtle?
Number 24. Find the snail.
Snail. Oh, I see it. Oh, thank you, Itepor, for subscribing for 11 months. Thank you, thank you. New in chat, guys. I see it here. Okay, but some of these images are blurry. So that's not fair.
Number 25. Find 2 lizards.
2 lizards? Two lizards? Where? Huh? Oh my goodness, holy.
Hey, did you enjoy the
Wow,
challenge?
that was hard.
Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss the next ones.
Subscribe
Thanks for
to
watching.
Animal Quiz. Oh, I forgot to count how many I got wrong. I feel like I got probably like 7 wrong, especially towards the end when it started getting harder. That's when I got a lot wrong. Some of them were were really, really hard. I couldn't find any. How'd you guys do? I found all of them right? Man, must be nice. I want to be that good.